Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a new video. In this video we are going to create an Enneper surface pattern using Python. So firstly let us import the required libraries. So, NumPy is used for numerical operation and creating arrays, and matplotlib.pyplot is used for plotting graphs, and access3d enables 3D plotting capabilities in matplotlib. And now we'll define 2D grid. So this creates two arrays u and v with 100 points each from -2 to +2, and np.meshGrid creates coordinate matrix u and v for all combinations of u and v. This forms a grid over which the surface is calculated. So now we will calculate using parametric equations. So these computes the 3D coordinates of the Enneper surface using its parametric formulas such as u minus u cube divided by 3 plus u into v square. Similarly for y, and similar for z, which is u square minus v square. And now we'll create figure and 3D axis. So this creates a new figure with size 6 by 6 inches and adds a 3D subplot to the figure for 3D plotting. And now we'll plot the surface. So this plots a 3D surface using the XYZ coordinate and uses the Viridis color map for coloring the surface, and removes the edge lines for a smooth look, and sets surface transparency to 90% opacity for better visual depth. And now we'll set the title and axis label. So ax.setTitle sets the suitable title to the plot, and ax.setX label, Y label and Z label sets the required label for the required axes, and plt.show shows the final 3D plot window displaying the Enneper surface. So here we can see an Enneper surface pattern. So thanks for watching this video.